Have you ever sat alone at night, maybe with your phone in your hand, and you thought, I really want to speak English, but I don't know how to practice alone? No teacher, no partner, just you and a little fear.
And maybe you tell yourself, other people are better than me. They have confidence. They started earlier. So you close the app, you promise, tomorrow. But tomorrow feels the same.
If that sounds like you, please stay with us. This episode is for quiet learners, for shy learners, for people who try and stop and try again.
Yes, this is not about being perfect. This is about being human.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Conversation Hub. I'm Anna.
And I'm Jake. And today we are talking about something very close to the heart.
How to practice English when you are alone.
Alone, like no speaking partner, no class, no pressure, just you and your daily life.
And Jake, can I say something honest?
Always.
Many people think practicing alone means you are weak, but I think it means you are brave.
I agree. Also, practicing alone means you really care. You didn't quit. You just didn't know the next step.
Exactly. So today, we will talk slowly, like friends, like kind teachers.
And maybe we will laugh a little too, because learning should feel safe.
Let's start with a simple question. Why is practicing English alone so hard?
I think it's because English is a speaking language, and when you're alone, there is no one to answer you.
Yes, and also, when you are alone, your thoughts get louder.
Thoughts like, my accent is bad, I sound silly, I will never be fluent.
And those thoughts hurt more than mistakes.
True, mistakes are normal, but shame stops everything.
So let's change one idea today. Practicing alone is not lonely, it is private.
Private is good. No one is watching, no one is judging.
You can speak slowly, you can stop, you can repeat one sentence 10 times.
And nobody will laugh.
Except maybe your cat.
My cat judges me every day.
Same. Now let's talk about real life. You wake up, you make tea or coffee, you look at your phone.
That moment is English practice. You just don't see it yet.
Yes, practice does not mean 1 full hour. It can be 5 minutes.
5 calm minutes are better than 1 angry hour.
So true. Let's imagine this. You're making tea. You say out loud, I am making tea.
Simple, but powerful.
Then you say, the water is hot. The cup is on the table.
You are speaking. You are practicing.
And your brain is listening.
Your brain learns by hearing you.
Some people ask, but Anna, who will correct me?
Good question. And the answer is, not always someone.
Sometimes correction comes later. Sometimes first comes confidence.
You don't need perfect English to practice. You need courage.
And courage grows in small moments.
Now, let's share something personal. Anna, did you ever practice alone?
All the time. When I was learning another language, I spoke to myself a lot.
Same here. I talked to mirrors.
Mirrors are honest.
Very honest. But they never interrupt you.
Exactly. Now let's gently move into some very practical ideas. Nothing big, nothing perfect.
Just real life.
First idea, talk about what you are doing right now.
Right now. Not yesterday. Not tomorrow.
For example, I am sitting on a chair. I am listening to a podcast.
Your life becomes your textbook.
Second idea, use your phone voice recorder.
This one feels scary, I know.
Yes, but you don't have to share it. It's only for you.
Record 1 minute. Talk about your day. Then stop.
You don't need to listen again, but if you do, be kind.
Very kind.
Third idea, repeat after short audio.
Like this podcast.
Pause, repeat one sentence.
Not fast. Slow.
Fourth idea, think in English for 1 minute.
1 minute only.
For example, what do I need today? What do I feel right now?
Thoughts are practiced too.
Before we continue, let's breathe for a second.
If you're listening, you're doing something good for yourself.
You are not late.
You are not broken.
You are learning. Now it's time for our word tour. Please relax. We will go very slowly.
You can repeat after us. No pressure.
Word 1, practice. Practice means doing something again and again to get better. Example 1, I practice English every day. Example 2, she practices speaking alone. Now you repeat. Practice.
Word 2, alone. Alone means by yourself. Example 1, I study alone at night. Example 2, he feels okay being alone. Repeat. Alone.
Word 3, confidence. Confidence means you believe in yourself. Example 1, she speaks with confidence. Example 2, I am building confidence slowly. Repeat. Confidence.
Word 4, mistake. A mistake is something not correct. Example 1, I make mistakes when I speak. Example 2, mistakes help me learn. Repeat. Mistake.
Word 5, slow. Slow means not fast. Example 1, please speak slow. Example 2, I learn slow, but I learn well. Repeat. Slow.
Word 6, repeat. Repeat means say it again. Example 1, repeat the sentence, please. Example 2, I repeat new words. Repeat. Repeat.
Word 7, daily. Daily means every day. Example 1, I have a daily routine. Example 2, daily practice helps me. Repeat. Daily.
Word 8, comfort. Comfort means feeling safe and calm. Example 1, I feel comfort when I study at home. Example 2, this voice gives me comfort. Repeat. Comfort.
Beautiful. Take a small pause.
You are doing great.
Now, homework. Very small homework.
Tonight or today, choose 5 minutes.
Say this sentence out loud. I am practicing English alone, and that is okay.
Say it 2 times.
Then, write one simple sentence using any word from today.
And if you want, share it in the comments.
Before we say goodbye, one last thought.
Learning alone does not mean you're alone in life.
Many people are walking the same road quietly.
And we are walking with you.
Thank you for listening. Thank you for trying.
Next episode, we will talk about how to think in English without stress.
Take care of yourself.
Speak gently to yourself.
See you next time.